So, okay, as promised, let's solve number 5. So, number 5, you're given 9x squared plus 15xy plus 25y squared. Okay, so rewrite. The first term can be written as 9 can be written as 3 squared times x squared, then plus 15xy, then plus 25 can be written as 5 squared times y squared. So equals, so combine this, the base and the base multiply, so 3x, then raise to the common exponent or power, which is 2, plus 15xy, then plus, you can combine this also, 5 times y raised to the common exponent. Okay, and then let's find what is our a and what is our b. So our a here is equal to 3x, our b here is equal to 5y. Now let's check, is 2ab equal to the middle term? So 2 times our a is 3x, our b is 5y. So this is equal to 2 times 3, 6 times 5, 30 xy. So is it the same as the middle term? Is it the same? Are they the same? So no. Okay? So since this is not, no, this is not a perfect square trinomial. So since this is not a perfect square trinomial, then we cannot get the factor using this form. Okay, this is still factorable. So, but for this topic, we cannot solve using this form and the equivalent. Okay, because we have proven, or we have found out that the 2ab, our calculation for 2ab is not the same as the middle term of the given trinomial. So this is not a perfect square trinomial. So I will not solve this because if you want to solve this, we have to discuss first the other method of factoring. Okay, or we can also try the other methods that we have already discussed. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.